saw Taylor Swift at the 2015 Billboard Music Awards, it might look like she has her hands full, but she'll be the first to tell you it ain't no thing. She tells the BBC Radio 1 just how much work goes into being one of music's top talents, saying, "It's not that hard. I'm telling you now, it's really not." The 25-year-old pop country sensation reportedly says, "Sometimes I really don't think it's that hard at all." Is that arrogant or extremely refreshing to hear? We know Taylor is about as fortunate as it gets for someone in the music industry, but at least she attempts to work as hard as she can, even if it comes easy. She tells the BBC that's the best part of this. When you walk off stage and you're drenched in sweat and you're tired and your legs hurt, it feels like you're really working for the job. It's nice to feel tired after a show. I'm like, oh my God, I'm finally doing something. It's called killing it, Taylor. You're killing it.